Welcome to Mastering Machines, where we discover tomorrow's reality.
Welcome to Mastering Machines, where we discover tomorrow's reality. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and we're going to go over multi-agent systems. Multi-agent systems have been gaining a lot of steam recently, and I kind of knew previously from last year that this would be kind of the new wave, especially with a lot of the papers that I saw from kind of last year, that agents are really where the rubber meets the road as far as consumers and using AI and it being practical for a lot of people. You'll hear a lot of people talk about agent swarms and how that allows you to really expand your workforce as far as creating things and getting tasks done. First, you want to go to the MultiOn website and then register yourself as a user and then add yourself to the Discord community. In the Discord, they have a lot of different features. They show some of the new features coming down the pipeline. You get to interact with a pretty healthy community. They have demos, really useful stuff. So now you could see right here that I've got onto the beta app page, and this is where we're going to make a lot of the commands and different tasks. So you can see right now that I created a MultiOn agent that looks for the top 20 books within artificial intelligence on Amazon. And you can see that it's actually going through the process of finding all of these things, all the different steps. So you can see that it's going through it.
Books link to navigate to the books section where I can search for books on artificial intelligence.
And that was the MultiOn voice. And we could see here that it automatically got to the artificial intelligence guide. So it's literally doing all of these tasks autonomously just by me typing it. And I think that this is going to be the best use case for AI as far as all of these agents that do things autonomously. And it's working through the whole process of it. You can see that the information to bestsellers. And it's funny because I specifically picked best-selling artificial intelligence books because I wanted to show, to see if it would show the best sellers. And now it's showing the bestseller for kitchen items. And then now it's looking for, it went back to the book section.
Books category link to navigate to the books section of Amazon where I can search for the top-selling books on artificial intelligence.
And there's technically not a section that's exclusively for artificial intelligence within the Amazon site, but I wanted to see if it would actually look for it and how many ways it would go around it to see if it would solve the issue. And it's going through this whole process to try to find out how to get the 20 best bestsellers.
I'm clicking on the books category to narrow down the search to books before searching for artificial intelligence books.
And you can see right here, it's just doing all these things and still working through it. And I think it's really useful because to see it in this manner because it's working through all the different problems. And I don't know if it will get through it because I specifically picked it for this type of task where it's kind of has to use its brain. And I put that in quotation marks to actually figure out this issue because there's not an explicit top 20 of the artificial intelligence books in Amazon. So let's see. You can see it's going through all of these elements. And I think that that's where a lot of the autonomous agents can get a little bit better as far as just kind of navigating Also, I had the MultiOn agent do another task by looking for autonomously the size 13 Nike sneakers that are available on Nike.com. And if you see, it does this automatically, and you can only imagine what a problem this is going to be for probably retail websites and major retailers themselves, because there's already a bot problem with buying, highly touted items such as graphic cards, sneakers, Stanley Cups. But now anybody could create a automatic agent, and that is just going to exacerbate the problem. So we'll wrap up there. Until next time, this has been Mastering the Machines. Remember, discover tomorrow's reality.